Now, I know we've gone over a lot of really intense math and intense stuff here. So let's do a quick refresher of what we've learned so far. Whenever we work with a contract, we always need the ABI and the address. When compiled, an interface gives us that minimalistic ABI to interact with contracts outside of our project. When you combine these compiled interfaces with an address, we can call the functions on that interface on that contract. Chainlink data feeds are a decentralized way to get information about the real world. In this case, we're getting the price of Ethereum in terms of USD from a decentralized collective of Chainlink nodes. When working with math in Solidity, decimals don't work. So we need to keep that in mind when doing any type of math in Solidity. And we need to make sure we always have the correct units so that our math makes sense. Message.value and message.sender are globally available variables where message.sender represents the sender of the message or transaction, and message.value represents the number of way sent with the message. There's a whole bunch of different special variables and functions that we can access at any time, and these are available in the Solidity documentation.